Welcome to Bloomington Today. I'm Kaylin Clement. Thanks for joining us. Now we'll bring you the buzz on Bloomington Today for the week of April 16th through the 22nd. On Saturday, March 29th, hundreds of residents turned up at Bloomington Civic Plaza for the annual Block Captains Workshop. Block captains are individuals who lead neighborhood watch programs in their areas. There are a total of 360 neighborhood watch groups currently in Bloomington.
We have between 14 and 15,000 homes participating in Neighborhood Watch. That's pretty amazing. There are no other suburbs in this area, and I dare say in the state of Minnesota, who have as robust of a neighborhood watch program as the city of Bloomington. And so that's quite amazing. Like Neighborhood Watch because you are our eyes and ears in the neighborhood.
The day started with a canine demonstration presented by Bloomington Police Officer Mike Vonderharr and his partner Barney.
So what do you think he wants more? The tug or to come to me? Tug? Come. Come. So again, he has to respond to what I tell him to, even though he really wants that thing. Break. Down. Down. Break. Attaboy. Come. Down. Down. The end of the demo here is we're going to have Sergeant Giles come out with the sleeve. You're going to see what it looks like when he takes a bite. The sleeve that Sergeant Giles is wearing, he doesn't feel it. This is actually a very soft sleeve. But the dog absolutely loves this thing. If you're wondering, can Sergeant Giles, does the dog hate him? No. This is a game. He has nothing against Jeff. This is just part of it. He sees that sleeve and that's what he wants. It just happens to be attached to a human. So a lot of people wonder, well, if he can do this, does that mean he's going to go bite a person in real life? Absolutely not. That's a piece of equipment the dog is fixated on. So what we'll do is we'll actually put him in a hard muzzle, and now we'll take away the equipment and see if the dog will go and engage the person. So as you can see, Barney is focused on Jeff, and when I tell him to, get him. Attaboy. Attaboy. And he'll just keep holding on. Hey, out, down, down.
Other city employees from environmental health and public health were on hand at the Block Captains Workshop, sharing their experiences and suggestions on how to keep neighborhoods healthy and crime-free havens for residents. For more information on Bloomington's Neighborhood Watch program, contact the city's Crime Prevention Unit at 952-563-4900 or visit bloomingtonmn.gov and keyword search Neighborhood Watch. At the April 7th City Council meeting, Dr. Greg Harms, the chair of the Advisory Board of Health for the City of Bloomington, presented Ruth Evangelista with the 2014 Health Promotion Award.
This award recognizes a person, organization, or business that has made significant contribution to the health and wellness of a large number of Bloomington residents. Tonight, Ruth Evangelista will be the 16th recipient of this award since its inception in 1990. As director of La Mission, a resource center located at Church of the Assumption in Richfield, Ruth is the lead organizer of a vast array of health-related programming and services that support the health and wellness of approximately 3,000 Spanish-speaking Bloomington and Richfield residents each year. In addition, her programming and services impact over 2,000 English-speaking parishioners from Church of the Assumption and residents from outside the faith community in Bloomington and Richfield. Her work is especially crucial because it provides culturally and linguistically appropriate connections to existing services and programming in a safe and welcoming environment for thousands of Spanish-speaking community members a year.
Mayor Winstead highlighted Evangelista's backgrounds and experiences following her immigration to the U.S.
Ruth came to Minnesota when she was just 24 years old to be with her husband, who did live here. She had been living in Mexico with her son because her mother needed her help. Ruth had a degree in international relations, but that didn't make it easy for her when she arrived. At that time, there were many fewer immigrants in our community, and she didn't speak English and didn't know anything about the systems of our schools, clinics, and just other resources that are available to all. Augsburg Library in Richfield was the first place Ruth found help with resources. She also attended English second language classes at our Pond Center here in Bloomington and gained a new perspective about health. She changed her mind from thinking about health as something you seek when you are sick to something about it as a way of living. Ruth, it is really a great honor that we present you with this 2014 Health Promotion Award.
If you make change in the community, you can have healthy for everyone. Healthy families make unhealthy communities. We can work together. This is a vision for communities where everyone can have a good quality of life. Thank you, City of Bloomington, Bloomington Public Health, and to all you here for today. Support me all to change we wish to see in this community.
It's residents like Ruth Evangelista that we're grateful for as she continues to aid in moving Bloomington toward becoming a more health-conscious community. And that is the Buzz on Bloomington Today for the week of April 16th through the 22nd. Thanks for watching.